Hey, I'm Wade Anderson with Okuma America, joined today by Chris Kozel, our representative from Mastercam. We were issued a challenge to get about 25% of the cycle time out of this part. We were able to accomplish that by utilizing partners such as Big Kaiser, who provide Big Plus tool holders to give us the best clamping system for our Big Plus spindles, their long reach boring bars, and then their high-speed drills. We also utilize special form tools by Emuge. Anytime we utilize new technology, that really creates a ripple effect, because utilizing special tools like this, we need to be able to have the tool path to accomplish that. That's where Chris joined us.
Yeah, and it actually was a great project, interesting project. When you think about utilizing some of these tools, the challenge is you've got a lot of areas here that we have to take very small step downs. With traditional tool paths, you're looking at a step down of 0.125 millimeter or even less. With utilizing some of the new technology and the tooling out there, we were able to increase that, not only going 1 millimeter, but in other instances, we're going 2 and even 3 millimeter step overs, which greatly reduced my finishing cycle time. It also lessened the programming time too, because some of the different techniques that we use, even in the roughing, where it might take an operator multiple different planes to create, we did what we call a multi-axis roughing, where it was one operation and done.
So one of the key features is Big Kaiser provides the Big Plus tool holding, so we get both the taper contact as well as the face contact, which gives us great stability for a long reach boring bar like this. That allowed us to do this entire bore basically in one pass coming through it. The end of the head is very adjustable, gave us a lot of stability and ability to be able to adjust the bore as we needed to.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And then if we start introducing, from Emuge, their form taper tools, we're able to greatly reduce the cycle time on, let's just say a surface like this where, you've got a nice smooth surface that rolls down into a transition. Traditional toolpath styles, we would take a ball cutter there with, probably under a 0.125 millimeter step over, but with these tools, we could be a lot more aggressive. And we were able to kick this up to 2.5 millimeter on the step over and still get the same finish from traditional tool paths, reducing the cycle time.
That's because these tools have a much bigger radius, so you can step over a lot longer and reduce that kerf height from each pass.
Yep, just think of a big dome surface as a cutting edge versus, an 8 millimeter or 6 millimeter ball cutter.